Hello everyone, once again welcome back to another session. In this session I will show how you can upload and set up Juniper VMX router in GNS3 client, and then how you can set root password and how you can change hostname in Juniper router. So let's get started. So now let's open GNS3 client. Wait for a moment. Here you will see two servers. One gonna be the local server and another is going to be the GNS3 VM. We can see server summary, local server and GNS3 VM. To upload and set up Juniper VMX router, go to edit and then click on preference. And here we can see under QEMU section QEMU VMs. Click on new and select run this QEMU VM on the GNS3 VM. Click on next and here name it Juniper_VMX. Click on next. And we can see the RAM 256 Mbps, and that is the default configuration. If you have more RAM, make it 1 GB or 512 MB. So here I'm giving 512 Mbps. Click on next, and here we can see the console type. Keep the default configuration telnet and then click next. And now we can see it is asking the image, so let's click on browse and select the Juniper VMX router image 14.1 and double click on it. We can see it is uploading. And the uploading is finished. Now click on finish. We can see the Juniper VMX. Select it and click on edit. And here we will be change the symbol for the Juniper router. Click on browse. Select Affinity Circle Blue and search router. Select it. OK. And then go to network. And here I'm giving network adapter 5 and then click OK, apply, OK. So now I'm going to create a blank project. Project name gonna be Juniper VMX test. Click on OK, and now click on browse all device, and here we can see Juniper VMX that we have uploaded. So let's take Juniper and take the Ethernet switch. We will be take another Juniper VMX. Now I'm gonna have cable to connect these two routers into switch. So now I'm gonna have the interface label. So now I need to change the switch symbol. Click on change symbol and here select Affinity Square Blue and search switch. Select it, click apply and then OK. So now let's run the router. Click on start. So now let's take the console of this router. We can see Juniper VMX router is ready for login. By default, when you log into the device, it's a plain box. We just powered the device. So default there won't be any username configured. So you have to log in with root. Click enter. Now you have to write CLI for operational mode. We are in operational mode. To do configuration, you need to go to configuration mode. So write the command edit. Now we are in configuration mode. To set root password, use command set system root authentication plain text password, and then click enter. And here input your password. So I'm giving my password here. Click enter. Retype the password. Click enter. To save the configuration, write the command commit and then click enter. Okay, now let's log in with root again to verify our configuration. So use the username root. We can see it is asking password. So let's input the password. Yes, we can see that our password is working properly, which we have set. So now I will show you how you can change the host name. To change the host name, we need to again go back to the configuration mode. CLI, we are in now operational mode. Edit. Now we are in configuration mode. To change the host name, just the command is set system host name, and here give your host name. So I'm giving my host name is Anwar, and then click enter. To save the configuration, write the command commit. So you can see host name is successfully changed, and that's how you can upload and set up Juniper VMX router in GNS3 client. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Bye bye.